The Advin Health Care PTCA Coronary Surgical Set provides a complete solution for percutaneous coronary angioplasty procedures. It includes essential components for secure. The Advin Health Care guiding catheter is designed to provide stable and precise access during coronary and peripheral interventional procedures. It offers excellent torque control and lumen support, enabling smooth device delivery. Manufactured from medical-grade materials, it ensures reliable performance, enhanced procedural control, and trusted clinical outcomes. The Advin Health Care PTCA connector kit is designed to provide secure and leak-proof access during coronary angioplasty procedures. Its rotating hemostatic valve allows smooth guide wire and catheter movement while minimizing blood loss. Manufactured from medical-grade materials, the transparent design enables clear visualization and reliable pressure control throughout the procedure. The Advin Health Care high-pressure tubing is designed for safe and reliable contrast and fluid delivery during angiography and interventional procedures. Its reinforced construction withstands high injection pressures while maintaining consistent flow. Secure connectors ensure leak-proof performance, supporting accurate imaging and dependable procedural efficiency. Introducing the Advin Health Care PTCA Kit, a comprehensive and procedure-ready solution designed to support safe, efficient, and controlled percutaneous transluminal coronary angioplasty procedures. This complete kit brings together essential components required during coronary interventions, helping interventional cardiologists achieve precise and reliable clinical outcomes. The Advin Health Care PTCA kit is engineered to ensure smooth vascular access, effective hemostasis, and controlled device manipulation throughout the procedure. Each component is manufactured using high-quality medical-grade materials and meets international safety and performance standards. A key component of the kit is the PTCA guiding catheter, which provides stable access to the coronary arteries and supports accurate device delivery. Its excellent torque control and lumen support enable smooth advancement of guide wires and balloon catheters. The kit also includes a PTCA guidewire, designed for precise lesion crossing and stable support. It offers an ideal balance of flexibility and strength, allowing smooth navigation through complex coronary anatomy while maintaining control during balloon advancement. The PTCA connector kit included in the set features a rotating hemostatic valve that minimizes blood loss while allowing smooth guide wire and catheter movement. Its transparent design enables clear visualization of contrast flow and pressure control. An inflation device is provided to ensure precise balloon inflation and deflation during angioplasty. With a clear pressure gauge and smooth control mechanism, it supports accurate dilation while reducing the risk of vessel trauma. The high-pressure tubing included in the kit ensures safe and leak-proof contrast and fluid delivery under high injection pressures. Its reinforced construction maintains consistent flow and procedural reliability. Designed for seamless compatibility with standard PTCA balloons and coronary accessories, the Advin Health Care PTCA kit streamlines workflow, reduces setup time, and enhances efficiency in the catheterization laboratory. Primarily intended for single-use application, the kit ensures sterility and minimizes the risk of cross-contamination between patients. Each component undergoes strict quality inspection to deliver consistent performance. Trusted by interventional cardiologists worldwide, the Advin Health Care PTCA kit reflects our commitment to precision, safety, and dependable clinical outcomes in coronary angioplasty procedures. Introducing the Advin Health Care Inflation Device Gun, designed to deliver precise and controlled balloon inflation during angioplasty and dilation procedures. It ensures accurate pressure application, supporting procedural safety and consistent clinical outcomes. Manufactured from high-quality medical-grade materials, the inflation gun offers smooth pressure generation with reliable inflation and deflation control. The clear pressure gauge allows real-time monitoring, helping clinicians maintain optimal pressure levels throughout the procedure. The ergonomic gun-style handle provides a comfortable grip and enhanced control, even during prolonged use. Compatible with standard balloon catheters and inflation systems, the Advin Health Care Inflation Device Gun integrates seamlessly into routine interventional workflows.